This floral pattern looks amazing on the dark wall. Hey guys, on today's episode of Not Your Everyday Wall, we are going to be creating this very deep and nice and elegant wall look, and I'm going to be doing it using a repetitive pattern, some hand-painted details, and a monochrome color palette. So if you want to see how it plays out, then keep watching. In a lot of my previous projects, I've used a lighter base color for under my patterns, but I wanted to switch it up this time and do a deeper color for my base color. I'm also going to be applying this floral square design, and I'm going to be repeating it and adding some fun accents at the end to tie it all together. I decided I wanted to line up these patterns directly next to each other with a little bit of space in between, and that's going to be where I place my accents. When I began my second row, I decided that I wanted my pattern to be laid similar to how a brick wall is laid out. Once I was all done the basic pattern, it was time for the accents. This wall definitely has a monochrome vibe going with it, with the dark green base color, the mint green pattern, and then I'm adding in different colors of green for the accents. I added these accents to bring the wall together rather than just having these separated patterns. I wanted to bring little details to bring them together. Adding these simple lines and dots really brought this whole entire wall look together. It definitely gives me a very monochrome, shabby chic vibe with how elegant it is with the hand-painted touches to finish it off. This monochrome accent wall could go in any room from a living room to an accent wall in an office, and I think it would look amazing. I think this look turned out so amazing. I love the depth that it has from using those deeper colors rather than just putting the pattern on white. I think it really has a nice contrast between the florals and the deep colors. And this concludes today's episode, and if you have any ideas for some future looks, let us know and maybe you'll see it in a future episode. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.